Interesting.
Oh, it's a quiz.
It looks interesting, huh?
I didn't expect that we have to do a pop quiz.
I got an A.
我拿到 B 哦。
我也是给妈咪一个 A。
I gave Daddy a C. Because he eat too much junk food and drink too much beer.
I got my results already. I got a C. What about you guys?
Actually, we were waiting for you, and we both gave you a C.
Oh,
Yeah, we're a bit worried about you leh.
I got a B.
I hope that you get an A, but it's also a B. Oh.
actually I thought I was doing quite okay, but I didn't know you guys were so worried about me. So thank you. I love you.
I never think my kids would say I'm unhealthy.
Honestly, I thought he would have rated me worse.
Me?
I think maybe I'll live a longer life. But for my husband,
I think I need to work harder to improve my health.
I think health complication.
Being a cancer survivor, critical illness is always a possibility and gets higher due to unhealthy lifestyle.
Actually, I don't know. I don't really think about it all the time.
Hey, what if you get health complications in future? Huh? What hidden cost?
Yes. I heard from my friend that we need to think about income loss from being not able to work if we have serious illness.
Yes, speaking from experience, it's very painful not functioning, not being able to work. Who's going to feed the family?
yeah, retirement education fund.
Look into the hospitalization.
Yeah.
It's very important.
If it's critical illness, I'm not too sure if my insurance covers. I definitely have to double check.
Yeah, we should all check.
Yeah, we are all covered for critical illness.
Yeah, after today, definitely.
Yeah, I think we're all convinced.
Yes, of course. That's why our family is protected with life, medical and critical illness plan.
Actually, I didn't expect it to protect my family's finances. Having the right plan is a lifesaver.
Don't hesitate, it's a must to get it.
You should definitely look into it.
We should too.
Yeah.
Well, we can only tell you from experience that you won't regret it.
Everyone should get it.